Dear, I hope my darling boy James comes home. I haven't seen him in forever.
Mom! I found a roadside hippie, y'all! I mean hippie. His name's Rainbow. I found him on the side of the road.
Oh, very nice to meet you.
This is your mom.
Whoa, dude. I have a mom.
That's your mom.
I came from a carriage in the sky, man.
Oh,
so you
really?
believe in peace?
Whoa, Rainbow.
So, what are we? Doesn't look like a
I
roadside
can hear
hippie.
you, bro. Yeah, like you gave me so much clothes.
Yeah, I gave him all my clothes and I gave him a bath. He smelled really good.
Oh.
He is a roadside hippie.
My beard's
Named Rainbow. There's no beard.
Yeah.
Hi, Rainbow.
Oh man, that's like.
Because he's nice. His name is Rainbow. Look at him. He's so innocent.
Natural.
He's harmless.
Just look at him.
Harmless.
He's eating grass. Oh, get that! No, no.
Stop! He's mine.
He's eating the grass.
No.
Dude, you have like one of these pole ponies. This is like endangered environment.
Just James. How could you?
Look, see? He's having fun in our yard.
Ew, don't even say anything around that thing.
Get out of her space.
Dude, that's
Rainbow, it's okay. I know she's...
dude.
No, James.
It's a message from the sun gods.
You know what?
Get out of his dancing. I like it. Dance more.
Jesse James.
My name's James. Why'd you add a Jesse?
Because I wanted to. Jesse James, you are taking you and your...
See, he's an amazing dancer.
You're taking your hips away from me.
Oh, good job. They should have named you
You know
Dancer.
what? You know what? I'm taking you guys back to the street.
Ew, she's touching me. Rainbow, come back. Rainbow, stop. Rainbow, are you okay? It's okay. It's gonna be okay.
You know what? I'm just
Eat some grass. Eat some grass. Rainbow, eat some grass. Eat some grass. Eat some grass. Eat some grass. I know that's your favorite treat. Rainbow, come back. None of us are even wearing shoes except for my mom.
Like so dizzy, dude.
Get out of this house. And I told you.
Let's go back in the house. No, it's okay. Come on, Rainbow. 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 Hey.
Don't. You are not going in.
Yeah, I am now.
Now, tell me that book. If you're going to stay here, there's going to be some rules.
Mom, stop telling her what to do.
Dude, I'm a good man, dude.
You got that cleared?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't touch that
No,
book.
stop it.
You don't.
Mom,
Book.
Rainbow can do whatever he wants. He's happy.
Oh
So he
man.
can kill you?
Just so like free.
Oh, that's a good job. Good job.
Don't.
Hey, Mom,
Don't.
he can do whatever he wants.
Don't.
Hey, that's Rainbow's.
You do not take my stuff without asking.
Here you go, Rainbow.
Do you like have it bad if I like need to like go like number 5, dude?
Yes, we do have.
Whoa, you guys are like freaking like moving pictures.
Hey, look, that guy looks like you.
What a hideous.
Wait a minute. Are you my long lost son?
I did what?
Shh.
Oh.
Shane?
Wait, you're a long lost, or my long lost brother named Shane? No! Are you Shane?
Dude, careful, you
smoking
spilled my bombo, man.
Did you talk to Miley Cyrus or something and she changed her to a hippie?
You?
Is that especially Bruno
I've
Mars.
been looking for
Oh.
you for 10 years.
I'm gonna make his music.
A great 10 years of her husband, man.
Hey, so you're my long lost brother. Wake up!
Oh.
I told you I'm not eating.
I have dots on my face though, man.
Yep.
I can't take them off.
I remember.
Ugh.
He ran away from school. Teacher always said that he was a worst kid. We could be.
So wait, why did you try to shoot me?
You
Boom.
do not should be your brother, or else I will step on your foot.
I just did.
Oh.
What are you doing? No close doors. You got girls in here, dude. Wise up, dude. Come on.
No.
So if this is Shane, you're the one who stole my fire truck.